Hey, 7th graders, happy Wednesday. Uh, your assignment's due on Friday, just a quick reminder, at midnight. You can either submit that through Smart Music if you're set up, that's probably the best option. Or if you are still having troubles with Smart Music, you can submit it just through Schoology, so you just need to film yourself and submit it like we talked about. So you're doing number 67, Scale Study, and number 71, Battle Station. So I wanted to take just a few minutes today to kind of help you through those, kind of talk you through them, maybe play a little bit. Um, that way you're getting some information before those assignments are due. I hope you've been practicing at least a little bit every day and you haven't been putting it off. All right, so looking at 67, the big thing right away is you got to look at your key signature, right? Especially that fourth note, right? So if you're playing a C instrument, those my flutes, my low brass, my mallet players, you go A flat, B flat, C, and then D flat. D flat, don't forget that one. If you're playing clarinets or trumpets, that means it's an E flat for you. E flat for you, A flat for our French horns, and then B flat. B flat, remember an A with the side key for our saxophone players. All right, so let me play those first four notes for you so you can line them up, make sure they sound right. So you have concert A flat, concert B flat, concert C, and concert D flat. So one more time. So if your first four notes don't sound like that, then you're doing something wrong, okay? And you gotta double check and go back to the back of the book and make sure you're playing all the right notes there. All right, real quick, the last four measures on number 67, rhythm gets a little more complicated. Notes stay the same. Let's see, you have 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 off. Right? Make sure you're ready that the last measure doesn't catch you off. They changed the rhythm on you. So one more time, those last four measures. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3. Stop. All right, moving on. Look at number 71, 71 battle stations. So again, you still have those 16th note rhythms like what we had at the end of the last one. All right, so looking at just the rhythm of 71, you have 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2, 1 and 2 E and 1, 1 E and 2 and 1, 2, 1 E and 2 and 1 and 2. Right? Be patient on those dotted quarter notes. They're going to feel very long. Right? 1 and 2, rest 1. It's very much slower than the rest of the song. Right, next thing to notice in number 71 is again that key signature. Look at your very second note, second pitch rather, so count 2 with the first measure, you're playing a concert E natural. Concert E natural, not concert E flat. Right, we're in the key of F, or rather D minor. Clarinets, trumpets, you guys are playing F sharps. F sharp, so clarinets, that's front finger. Trumpets, you're playing middle finger. Right, French horns playing B natural, B natural. Trombones playing E natural, second position. Alto saxes, you guys are playing C sharp. So remember, hands free, hands free. All right, I'm gonna play this one for you real quick. So double check those rhythms and double check that key signature to make sure you're playing concert E natural. All right, try to catch those dynamics, especially that crescendo at the end. If you have any questions, you can send them to me. Remember, due Friday at midnight, you're turning in both of those assignments. Enjoy your Wednesday. Stay healthy. Wash your hands.